Hi, I'm Karen from Travel Mad Mum, and I've travelled the world extensively with my 2 kids. And today I've been asked to show you how to pack the whole family of 4 for a beach holiday for a week into one checked luggage with 20 kgs. So that's the whole family in one bag, and we have everything you could possibly need here. Have a look. You can find a full list of everything that's in this bag in the link below. Watch this video about how to pack for a 4-person family into one checked luggage for a 7-night beach holiday. Let's check the kgs. Currently on 0 on the scales. And it is now just under 19 kgs, just under. There we go. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.